Hello viewers, I come with another new tutorial, and this tutorial is about how to add a gallery with Joomla or pop-up action with any image. It's just like you can easily pop up any image with your Joomla article. So it is very easy. Just install this plugin and you will get it here. I mean extensions, product, Joomla, Lightbox, Slim Box. I have had this plugin and it is only priced $10. It is very nice and lifetime update. So install it and then activate it. So I just have installed it on my demo site. If you check this, I have already I have already installed it, and here you will get a zip like this plugin Slim Box version 4, and I just installed it. And if I check it here, and I will write Slim here. So it is here installed, and if I open it, it will show a full description here. How can you use it? How can you use it? How can you make a gallery? I will add a gallery already here. If you check this pop-up lightbox, here is the I create a menu, and single image. Here is single image, and here is double image. And I just, if you click on it, you will see it is pop up right now, and there is image gallery, custom image gallery. So you just click on it, and you just see the gallery next, and this is the end of image 3, image 1, image 2, image 3. And if you check this, you can add caption here. Here you see a custom caption here. So how can you use it? Everything you can do it. So first go here article, and you see there is image, single image. So first we will talk about this one, I mean single image. So you will have to add an image. You will add image from here. You see here is the image section. Like just go here and media section and choose any image. Here is 2 images. Like I will choose this one. Let me show you here, and I will add it here. Yes, this is the image I already added. So here I have to get a image, I mean image URL here, src, under src I would get image URL here. So I just add a href to this. Just go to copy href, and I just put a here in tag. So this is a href options, and I just copy this src here from, and I will put it like this one. Yes, this one. So so here is the image I already added. I just save it, just save it. Then I just refresh it, and you will see here is another image here. I just click on it, and it's pop up, and you will see my caption here. And if I want to change caption here, so I just go here, a title, and my caption I will just choose image 1, image 1. So it is very simple. You see that just check an image and just choose it. And if you have question how can I do this, you can easily check it this tutorial. And this is, I am using JC editor, so you just have to click on this I mean code section, and you just have to go text mode and just enter, and this is the done. I'll upgrade it more in next I mean previous section, so that you don't have to do it. You just have to insert any image with the I mean rel box, so that it is automatically pop it. Actually this is very easy to do, as you see it. So if you check it now, it's captioned like image 1, so it is done. So this is how you can use pop-up lightbox. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Take care. Bye bye.